Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like tech and helpful tips, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started.
Finding an underground water leak can be a frustrating and costly problem, but with the right approach, you can pinpoint its location and stop the waste. The first step in detecting a hidden leak is to be vigilant for common indicators that something is amiss, starting with an unexplained spike in your monthly water bill. If your usage habits haven't changed but the bill has soared, an unseen leak is a prime suspect. Another clear sign is the presence of unusually wet, soggy, or overly green patches of grass or soil in your yard, particularly when there hasn't been recent rain, as water escaping from a pipe will saturate the surrounding ground and nourish vegetation more intensely in that specific area. You might also notice a sudden, inexplicable drop in your home's water pressure, or even hear the subtle, persistent sound of running or dripping water when all faucets and appliances are turned off, which can often be heard by listening near the main water line or even using a screwdriver as a makeshift stethoscope against pipes, carefully placing the metal end on the pipe and the handle to your ear to amplify internal sounds. Once you suspect a leak, the most effective initial DIY test is the water meter check. Ensure all water-consuming appliances are off, no toilets are running, and no one is using water inside or outside the house. Then locate your water meter and observe it for any movement. If the dial is still spinning, even slowly, you almost certainly have a leak somewhere in your system. And if it stops when you turn off the main shut-off valve to your house, the leak is likely within your property lines. For more localized detection, walk your property slowly, paying close attention to any areas where the ground feels softer, appears depressed, or where plants are thriving unusually well. These could be direct indicators of subsurface water saturation. You can also try probing the ground with a metal rod or a thin piece of rebar in suspected areas, feeling for changes in soil resistance or moisture levels as you push it down. In some cases, dye tests can be useful if the leak is close to a visible drain or fixture, but for truly underground pipes, this is less direct. For deeper or more elusive leaks, specialized tools and professional expertise become invaluable. Acoustic listening devices, which can range from relatively inexpensive DIY options to highly sensitive professional equipment, are designed to amplify the faint sounds of water escaping from pipes underground, allowing you to pinpoint the exact location with remarkable accuracy. Thermal cameras can sometimes detect subtle temperature differences on the ground surface caused by escaping water, although their effectiveness varies greatly depending on soil type, depth of the leak, and temperature differential. If your DIY efforts don't yield a clear answer, or if the leak appears to be extensive, deep, or located in a complex part of your plumbing system, it's always best to call a professional leak detection service. These experts have advanced equipment, including ground-penetrating radar and specialized acoustic sensors, that can accurately locate the leak without unnecessary digging, saving you time, money, and potential damage to your property. Acting quickly to find and repair an underground leak is crucial, not only to conserve water and reduce your bills but also to prevent potential structural damage to your home's foundation or surrounding hardscapes. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing for more helpful home maintenance tips.